Welcome to Life Out There. Join us for our guide to the 10 best places to visit in Cyprus. This enchanting island, situated at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and Africa, boasts rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Whether you're a history buff, beach lover, or foodie, Cyprus offers something for everyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel inspiration. 1. Nicosia. Nicosia, the capital city of Cyprus, is a fascinating blend of history and modernity. As the last divided capital in Europe, it offers a unique insight into the island's complex history. Visit the historic Old Town, where you can explore charming streets filled with shops, cafes, and cultural landmarks. The Ledra Street crossing point allows you to walk between the Greek and Turkish sides, providing a glimpse of the city's diverse heritage. Don't miss the impressive Selimi Mosque, originally a cathedral, showcasing stunning Gothic architecture. The Cyprus Museum is a treasure trove of archaeological artifacts that highlight the island's rich history. 2. Paphos. Paphos is a United Nations educational, scientific, and cultural organization World Heritage Site, renowned for its ancient ruins and stunning coastal views. The Paphos Archaeological Park is a must-visit, home to incredible mosaics that date back to Roman times. Explore the tombs of the kings, an impressive necropolis carved into rock that offers a glimpse into ancient burial practices. The picturesque harbor is perfect for a leisurely walk, lined with charming cafes and restaurants where you can enjoy fresh seafood. Don't miss the iconic Paphos Castle, which provides a stunning backdrop for sunset photography. The nearby Akamas Peninsula offers opportunities for hiking with breathtaking landscapes and diverse wildlife. Paphos combines history, culture, and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination in Cyprus. 3. Limassol. Limassol is a vibrant coastal city known for its lively atmosphere and beautiful beaches. The Limassol Marina is a stunning waterfront development, offering luxury dining and shopping options. Stroll along the promenade, where you can enjoy views of the Mediterranean and relax in seaside cafes. The city's historic Old Town is home to the impressive Limassol Castle, which houses a medieval museum. Limassol is also famous for its wine festivals, celebrating the island's rich winemaking heritage. The nearby ancient city of Korian boasts spectacular ruins, including a well-preserved amphitheater with stunning sea views. With its blend of modernity and tradition, Limassol is a dynamic destination that offers something for everyone. 4. Ayia Napa. Ayia Napa is renowned for its vibrant nightlife and stunning beaches, making it a top destination for travelers seeking sun and fun. Nissi Beach is famous for its soft sands and crystal-clear waters, perfect for swimming and water sports. The lively atmosphere is complemented by beach bars and clubs that come alive at night. Explore the picturesque Ayia Napa Monastery, a beautiful example of Gothic architecture nestled in the heart of the town. The nearby Cape Greco National Forest Park offers opportunities for hiking, cycling, and breathtaking coastal views. Don't miss the stunning sea caves, a popular spot for snorkeling and exploring. Ayia Napa combines relaxation and excitement, making it a must-visit for those seeking a lively beach experience. This vibrant resort town has something for everyone. 5. Troodos Mountains. The Troodos Mountains are a stunning natural paradise, offering a refreshing escape from the heat of the coast. This mountainous region is known for its picturesque villages, hiking trails, and beautiful landscapes. Explore the charming village of Omotos, famous for its traditional wineries and cobblestone streets. The Troodos Mountains are home to several United Nations educational, scientific, and cultural organization listed churches adorned with beautiful frescoes, including the Church of St. Nicholas. Hiking enthusiasts will love the numerous trails that offer breathtaking views and opportunities to discover local flora and fauna. In the winter, the mountains even offer skiing and snowboarding at the Troodos Ski Resort. The serene beauty of the Troodos Mountains is a perfect destination for nature lovers. It's a refreshing contrast to the island's coastal areas. 6. Larnaca. Larnaca is a charming coastal city known for its beautiful beaches and rich history. The stunning Finicauds Beach is lined with palm trees and offers a lively promenade filled with cafes and restaurants. Visit the iconic Church of St. Lazarus, a beautiful Byzantine church that holds great historical significance. The Larnaca Salt Lake, home to migrating flamingos in the winter months, is perfect for nature lovers and birdwatching. The ancient ruins of Kishan provide insights into the island's past and its Phoenician heritage. Explore the vibrant nightlife and cultural scene, with many events and festivals throughout the year. Larnaca's blend of history, culture, and stunning landscapes makes it a must-visit destination in Cyprus. This charming city offers something for every traveler. 7. Kyrenia, Girne. Kyrenia, also known as Girne, is a picturesque town located in the northern part of Cyprus. The stunning harbor is lined with charming cafes and restaurants, offering breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. Visit the Kyrenia Castle, which houses a fascinating shipwreck museum showcasing artifacts from ancient maritime history. The historic old town is filled with narrow streets and boutique shops, creating a delightful atmosphere for exploration. Don't miss the opportunity to take a boat trip to enjoy the beautiful coastline and nearby beaches. The Belapave Monastery, located just outside the town, offers stunning views and a glimpse into the island's rich history. Kyrenia's enchanting charm and stunning scenery make it a must-visit destination. This town is a perfect blend of history and natural beauty. 8. Famagusta, Gazimagusa. Famagusta is a city steeped in history and rich in cultural heritage, making it a fascinating destination to explore. The ancient city walls, dating back to the medieval period, surround the historic old town, offering a glimpse into the past. Visit the impressive Lala Mustafa Pasha Mosque, originally built as a cathedral, showcasing stunning Gothic architecture. The city is also home to the eerie ghost town of Varosha, a reminder of the island's tumultuous history. Explore the beautiful beaches along the coastline, which offer opportunities for relaxation and water sports. The vibrant atmosphere of Famagusta is enhanced by local markets and restaurants serving delicious Cypriot cuisine. With its blend of history and culture, Famagusta is a must-visit destination in Cyprus. This city offers a unique perspective on the island's complex past. 9. Cape Greco. Cape Greco is a stunning natural park located on the southeastern tip of Cyprus, known for its breathtaking coastal scenery and crystal-clear waters. The rugged cliffs and sea caves provide a perfect backdrop for hiking, biking, and exploring. The park is home to numerous walking trails that offer panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the iconic Cape Greco Lighthouse, which stands as a beacon along the coastline. The area is also popular for snorkeling and diving, thanks to its vibrant marine life and underwater caves. The beautiful beaches, such as Kaunas Bay, are perfect for sunbathing and swimming. Cape Greco is a nature lover's paradise, offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle. This stunning location showcases the natural beauty of Cyprus. 10. The Baths of Aphrodite. The Baths of Aphrodite, located on the Akamas Peninsula, is a picturesque site steeped in mythology and natural beauty. According to legend, the goddess Aphrodite bathed here, making it a romantic and enchanting spot. Surrounded by lush vegetation, the tranquil pools are perfect for a refreshing dip in the clear waters. The area is rich in walking trails, allowing visitors to explore the stunning landscape and enjoy breathtaking views of the coastline. The nearby Avaka's Gorge offers opportunities for hiking through dramatic rock formations and diverse flora. Don't forget to bring a picnic to enjoy in this serene setting. The Baths of Aphrodite is a magical destination that invites relaxation and exploration. It's a must-visit for those seeking beauty and tranquility in Cyprus. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 10 best places to visit in Cyprus. We hope you're inspired to explore this beautiful island, filled with history, culture, and stunning landscapes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel content. Your support means so much and helps us continue to share amazing experiences with you. Until next time, happy travels!